Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Physics Past Question 49. A typical transistor characteristic is represented as, so you have four separate graphs here, okay, A, B, C and D, and we are asked for which one represents the typical transistor characteristic. Now it's important to know that a typical characteristic is ohmic. That means it obeys Ohm's law, okay, and for Ohm's law, for a graph of Ohm's law, what you usually have is V plotted against I, that is voltage plotted against current, and you have that like this, okay. But however, when you have I plotted against V, what you usually have is something like this, okay. So like we said, it is ohmic. A typical transistor is ohmic, therefore it obeys Ohm's law. So this is what the graph looks like when you plot current against voltage, and that is what is seen here in option D. So option D is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.